how to become investors to the Lord's mission. There are three vital areas to invest in the Lord's mission. Number one, invest your heart. The first investment that we can ever make in the Lord's mission is not financial, it is personal. Yung investment of your heart. Kasi alam nyo, ang Diyos, He examines. Tinitignan muna ang yaman ng iyong puso bago niya ipagkatiwala sa iyo ang isang bagay. In 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 7, when the time that the Lord has given Samuel an instruction to find for a king, nakikita ni Samuel na ang mga kapatid ni David ay mga wapo, matipuno. Akala ni Samuel, yun na yung mga hari, pero sinaway siya ng Panginoon. Sabi ng Panginoon sa kanya, do not consider his appearance or his height, for I have rejected him. The Lord does not look at the things people look at. People look at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Kaya ang Diyos, ang unang tinitignan sa tao ay ang kanyang puso.